Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about premium soft close drawers. Simlead is our premium soft close drawer built on very high quality king slide runners. They're tested to 100,000 cycles, so you can count on them to last, and the soft close action is very smooth and quiet. Simlead drawers have side metal walls just 13 mil thick. The thinner the wall, the more usable storage space inside the drawer. So slimline is very popular. Load capacity is high. There's 40 kg and 70 kg options. Now this is an important factor in how long your drawer runners last for, so high capacity is great. Now in terms of sizing, Simlead drawers are available in 4 side heights: 97, 138, 185 and 249 millimeters. And there are also 5 runner length options: 350, 400, 450, 500 and 550 mil. There's also 2 colorways, white and dark grey. So whether you prefer light or dark, classic or contemporary, Simlead works for you. Now for Simlead's brilliant technical innovation. In addition to soft close, the Simlead range includes push-to-open soft close drawers with everactive technology. Now that means that if the drawer is open, you can bump it open a little more without having to push it closed first. This is great when your hands are full, dusty or sticky. Now a couple of extra points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. Simlead drawers have 8-way adjustment for perfect gap alignment on cabinet fronts, including depth, side, height and tilt. This range is easy to install and to remove via a unique locking device. The push-to-open models have a switchable design, so you can disable or enable the push-to-open by flicking a built-in switch. You don't need extra components at all. The pull-out or resistance point on the drawer is set at a very low threshold. This is great for people with arthritis or if you're using a finger pull, for example. And you'll love this one. A 16 mil drawer bottom goes straight into it. You don't have to rebate at all.